Eh ben... On s'en est sorti, let's go!
This is bad.
We're almost at the landing point. We've landed on Mars,
Confirm our location.
the edges of West Margaritifer, the state border of Vasilia territory.
Dingo, first you need to enter into Vasilia County.
Wait.
Tell me your location and then
Wait.
ask Ada about the most suitable route to Vasilia.
Wait a second!
What's wrong?
What's going on here? Burned ruins stretched as far as the eye can see.
You were living in the backwoods, so you couldn't know. But in the last half year, the situation on Mars has changed drastically.
Tell me more.
It's a long story.
I bet.
Don't fall asleep.
Hurry up.
Half year ago, Bahram began to gain control of the military in every county on Mars. Then, the Mars Liberation Movement against Earth's oppression began to surface. Now, Bahram's war potential is very strong, far different from when you were around. The Space Force put up a stubborn resistance, but without a major war, Mars was occupied by Bahram in a flash. 1 month ago, the Space Force was almost wiped out except for a few remnants. We attacked Vasilia County, the Bahram foothold, with the total force we had then.
That was thoughtless.
Certainly. We knew what was going to happen. The Space Force suffered destruction, so there's not much time to destroy the remaining forces at the enemy base. Although we did find a special thing.
That's the vector cannon Taper mentioned.
The Vector Cannon is a weapon that delivers a high-energy wave by space compression. The outer shield of the enemy fortress Almon defends from invasion with a mass dislocation created by space compression. The Vector Cannon is the only weapon that can nullify that defense and pierce it.
Urenbeck catapult, orbital frame, vector cannon, so they're all byproducts of Metatron.
It's a bad habit of mankind to want to use its new toys immediately. Don't you agree? However, the military unit has been missing in Vasilia since they acquired the Vector Cannon. Taper, who you met on Deimos, must have come to get it back.
Why is it so important?
Dingo, do you know about the Almon project?
I only recognize the name.
When Dr. Rikoa Hardiman was in good health,
Noman's father.
after Dr. Hardiman died, his son Ridley, that is Noman, took over command of the plan. He then made a full-scale model. Almon is a huge military fortress that uses a great amount of Metatron to construct weapons of mass destruction. When it is fully operational, it won't make sense for Earth to send any amount of forces against it. Almon will have over 1,000,000 times the power of Anubis, and you've seen the damage that can do. Can you imagine what it will be like?
Why did Noman want to get Jehuti? He's already got a great weapon, hasn't he?
Actually, Anubis and Jehuti were developed as part of the Almon plan.
What do you mean?
Those two were a key element in starting Almon. That plan was made by Dr. Hardiman. Only those two machines can make Almon move or stop.
So, Noman has already got Anubis. He probably thinks Jehuti is a bother.
He either wants it or wants it destroyed. Normally, Anubis and Jehuti have the same abilities, so only Jehuti can fight against Bahram War potential, which was much increased through the technological research of Anubis.
That's why you made me have such a terrible experience.
No need to thank me.
Mars terraforming is still a long way from perfect, so it's still too weak to be a battlefield.
Several years ago, there was an attack on Earth by the hawkish faction of Mars, but it was a failure in the end because another power from Mars intervened. Then, Bahram learned that they should put pressure on Mars with military force before attacking Earth, strengthening their foothold. The Space Force's power couldn't match Bahram. Earth can't approach Mars, which is under constant surveillance by Almon.
Earth won't be talking big to Mars.
Earth and Mars bow down to Almon. Because of Noman, actually.
Is Almon in Vasilia?
Anubis and Noman are there too. Aomon is already getting ready.
He must be happy.
Hey, we have to stop Aomon and Noman. We have the same purpose, don't we? Our cooperation is not so bad after all, is it?
I know you'll cut off my life support if I refuse.
You have your duty to do.
I don't care about Earth or Mars. My aim is to get Noman. You're all just the same as Baram, aren't you? So don't go thinking you're champions of justice.
Sorry to interrupt your conversation, but an unidentified combat vehicle is approaching.
Hey, I have to go. I'll disconnect.
No, wait!
Damn it. Let's be done with it.
Allez, la bagarre. Eh bien, je crois que c'est parti. Ok, ok, let's go. Ok, c'est pas fini, c'est pas fini, c'est pas fini. Oh, du lore, vous en voulez, vous allez en avoir. Hein. Ok, on est bien, on est bien, on est bien. Ouh. Chiche, ouais, je me suis un peu éloigné, hein, vous m'en voudrez pas. Dame. Je fais l'invocom après, hein, désolé. Oula, l'erreur que j'ai failli faire là. Encore. Par contre, on sent le niveau de puissance du truc. Hein. Wow. On est bien là. Phew. Chiche. Azel qui dit par contre, on peut penser ce qu'on veut du principe d'exclusivité dans le JV, mais ce genre de délire n'aurait jamais pu être financé sur un projet multiplateforme à l'époque. C'est vrai. C'est bien vrai, Azel. What the hell? Qu'est-ce donc? Azel qui dit c'est tellement dommage de n'avoir que les voix anglaises sur le jeu qui te crie Japon en permanence. C'est vrai. Et Barbe qui dit ça fait du bien. On peut te voir les décors qui changent. On peut voir. On voit un peu les changes. On voit des décors qui changent, tu veux dire. C'est vrai que c'est mieux. C'est quoi tous ces ralentis là? Bonjour monsieur. Ou madame. Ce personnage est important. Ah, là je vais l'avoir. Je fais comme ça tranquillement. Hein. Ok. La musique est cool, hein. Ouh, je suis concentré en tout cas. Merde. Wouh! Chiche! Merde, merde, merde. Faut que je sois un peu plus stratégique là. Ouais! Oh merde! Putain, il m'a eu. Il est où? Il est où? Quoi? Merde, putain. Putain, merde. Phew. Wow. Oh non, non, pas ça après. Quel enfer. J'étais à ça. Je transpire, je transpire. Tu peux te transformer toi aussi? Ouh. Peut-être. Cyprès, non. Oh, terrible. Oh, c'est pas grave. Je pense que je vais utiliser la compétence que m'a donnée l'autre. Terrible. Et non, je peux pas me transformer, moi, malheureusement. Ouais, non, voilà. Merci Azel pour la réponse. Sa barre de vie descend. Ouais, descend si peu. J'ai choke un peu sur la fin. J'ai voulu foncer. Il faut peut-être jouer défensif. Et frapper en contre-attaque. Comme l'Allemagne contre le Brésil en 2014. C'est vrai. Il lui restait même pas la largeur d'un ongle. C'est comme ça, hein. Ça, j'aime bien ça. Merde. Ah, j'ai cru que j'avais softlock. Wow, wow, wow. Ah, ça va vite. Ça devient chaud là. Wouh! On va l'avoir, on va l'avoir. Faut rester à distance. Putain. Ça c'est short hein. On me provoque à la fin ou? Putain merde. Phew. Ah ça devient close là. Putain. Putain. Je vais le voir comme ça, hein, au petit tir.
Damage level exceeding 50%.
Je vais l'avoir comme ça, hein, j'annonce. Y'a pas de petite victoire, mesdames et messieurs. Oh, on va l'avoir là. Let's go! Wouh! C'était galère là.
Wait, I'm not with Baram.
What else can
And
you say
there.
if you're not with Baram?
You must be Leo Stenbuck.
Ah, c'est le héros du 1. C'est Léo. C'est pour ça que j'ai galéré. Parce que je jouais trop bien dans le 1. C'est sûr.
Long time no see. You remember me?
Yes, the data is a perfect match with the previous runner.
You haven't changed a bit.
You're the owner of this frame, aren't you?
That's right.
Why did you abandon Jehuti on Callisto?
Without consulting me, Elena...
Elena?
That's not your business. Anyway, get out of Jehuti.
You want me to leave Jehuti? Don't be silly. I can't leave even if it means I die.
How come?
That's not your business.
What do you plan to do with Jehuti?
I think it could be sold at a high price.
Are you going to Alman? Ada, please answer my question. You're going to Alman, aren't you?
So what if I am?
Do you know that Ada intends to self-destruct Jehuti on Alman?
Are you sure?
It is true.
Wait a second! What's going on? Whose order is that?
It's a command which arose from the basis of a program.
The basis of a program? Are you kidding me? Who would allow such a thing? Hey, Ada, I won't allow you to do that!
You're worried as if it concerns you.
Well, it does!
This is the meaning of the existence bestowed upon me.
Are you stupid? How can you throw away your life for no reason?
I don't need any reasons.
Alright, I get rid of Alman. Then you don't need to blow up Jehuti. Isn't that right?
What?
And then, once Alman is destroyed, you'll be alive. That's enough, isn't it? You should take time to think about the meaning of your existence later.
But
What's your name?
You shut up! I'm Dingo!
Dingo, I'm sorry, but it's me who will destroy Almon.
What?
I can't stomach giving Jehuti to Baron.
I won't give it up either.
I don't want to lose Jehuti.
You rely on me. I'll get rid of it while you're doing your homework at home.
Okay. I will head towards Almon.
Ça c'est petit si je puis me permettre. Hein.
If I fail, please carry out my task for me.
Hey!
I don't want Ada to fight. I want to finish it.
Why?
For Ada's sake.
You're a funny guy.
Oh, please take this with you.
Oh, une amélioration, une compétence nouvelle. Let's go.
We obtained the device driver of the sub-weapon Gauntlet. It stuns enemies to a distance by physical impact.
Ah, c'est trop bien ça.
If you can hit an enemy into the wall using the gauntlet, they will suffer double damage.
I see.
Dingo, you saw Anubis?
Yeah.
Please be careful with Anubis. Even though you are on Jehuti.
Don't worry. I'll bring your Jehuti back to you later in one piece.
Anyway, you were a good fighter. I trust your skills.
Tu m'étonnes, je t'ai battu. Oh là là. Que d'émotion. Que d'émotion. Oula, ça continue les problèmes.
What's that?
It's the Bahram fleet. They defend from outside invasions.
Is Leo alright?
He hasn't been captured yet.
There's too much trouble in the sky.
For your own good, you better act with reserve like you're a stranger.
Bah c'est...
Anyhow, news will soon leak out.
But it is much better if Noman finds out as late as possible. Alright, I'll explain what you do next. You can enter Vasilia through the south gate, but first you need to unlock it. You have to destroy 2 facilities on both sides of the gate before you can go into Vasilia territory.
So, I'll need to destroy 2 facilities to unlock the gate, is that right?
That's it. Security in the territory has been much stricter since the Space Force attacked, so be careful.
I will.
I'm leaving Deimos for Mars now. I'll let you know when I get there. The crews on Deimos are starting to suspect me.
Really? Serves you right.
Hey, why can't you be more cooperative?
I think I am.
I shouldn't trust rumors.
What?
Nothing. See you later.
There is a route through the canyon in front of the gate.
Allez, est-ce qu'on s'arrêterait pas là, nous?
Metatron is confirmed close by. Go and collect it first.
Ce sera pour la prochaine fois. Ok. Oh là, le son est le même. Oh là là. On a joué à peine 2 heures, mais... Is ok. Je peux revenir au menu principal. Ah, voilà. On en garde sous le pied, il faut qu'on profite. Le jeu est pas très long. On en profite. J'ai juste un petit peu les derniers messages. Voilà, en tout cas. Hop! Bon, allez, YouTube. Ah non, attendez, je lis quand même les petits messages. Je vous laisse avec ça quand même, on sait jamais. Talapapapa. Bon, par contre, comme tu as Game Over, tu auras la mauvaise fin et tout le monde meurt. Quoi? C'est une blague en vrai, j'en sais rien. J'ai eu peur. T'imagines la catastrophe? Ouais, après, sans être aussi extrême, il y a des jeux qui proposent une fin secrète. S'il fait sans mourir, effectivement. Il apprend au charisme avec son passage de 2D. Avec son passage en 2D, le héros du 1, clairement, parce que dans le 1, il pleurait tout le temps, hein, le pauvre. Ils se battent pour une cyber waifu, c'est mignon. J'avoue. Ça, par contre, je trouve, c'est une petite récompense sympa. De quoi? De revoir le 1? Le héros du 1? Les sous-titres blancs dans le cockpit, ce n'était pas une bonne idée. Ouais, les sous-titres sont pas parfaits, hein, malheureusement. Oh, on a le versus, c'est quoi ça? On peut faire des versus? What the hell? What? Mais c'est trop bien! Ah, le jeu est fou, hein. Le jeu a conscience que son gameplay, il est solide. Ah, Barbeux répondait à la fin secrète. Ok. Ça, par contre, je trouve c'est une petite récompense sympa. Ah oui, bien sûr. Bien sûr, bien sûr. Bon, en tout cas, YouTube, merci d'avoir été là. Merci d'avoir suivi cette première session et donc cet épisode pour toi, cette séquence, je crois. Ou ce module, je crois que j'avais appelé ça les modules. The Zone of the Enders, The Second Runner, en la personne de Dingo, dirons-nous. On se dit à très vite pour la suite. N'oublie pas de rester fast, comme les robots. À très vite. Ciao, bye bye.